Voice-O-Matic allows you to easily set up preset poses for bone-based rigs. Here we have a very simple bone-based rig, with a few bones set up around the mouth ready to create deformations. Voice-O-Matic is also set up in the scene. As an extension of Morph-O-Matic, our award-winning morphing modifier for 3ds Max, Voice-O-Matic gives you the ability to define bones or objects to create preset poses. Poses are defined as a combination of positions, rotations, and scales of the various bones. As an example, a preset A mouth position has been created, as well as an O position, an E position, and so on. So, let's create a new pose. Right-click on the empty channel in the channel list and add a pose, then give it a name. In this case, we will simply call it Smirk. Then you will enter the Edit Current Pose mode. This will give you the possibility to tweak a pose to your liking. Use the Move tool and move or rotate the various bones until you are satisfied with the pose. You don't necessarily need to work with bones. These could be any object type. Then, once we are done, we simply go back to Voice-O-Matic and quit the Edit Current Pose mode. Then, you will be able to easily trigger the pose. This is very useful, as you can quickly animate the preset positions using a very simple morph-based interface. Voice-O-Matic is also the perfect addition to Voice-O-Matic. Let's see how this works. Open Voice-O-Matic, our award-winning automatic lip-sync plugin, then select and activate an audio file in 3ds Max. Then, back in Voice-O-Matic, connect the preset poses with their relative animation track. In order to do this, you will have to browse here in the track view, select the head under Voice-O-Matic, then just grab the progressive track of each preset pose you have created. As you have noticed, we have not created a preset pose for all of the mouth positions, but that is not important, as we can pick only some of them to achieve the desired result. Next, you will probably have noticed that the poses in Voice-O-Matic are driven when the value 1 is reached, unlike Voice-O-Matic, which by default is using a value range of 0 to 100. Therefore, in Voice-O-Matic, simply change these values from 0 to 100 to 0 to 1. When this is done, you simply need to click Create Keyframes, and automatic lip syncing is created in seconds. Our bone-based rig has been tweaked and then used to create a lip sync animation derived from an audio file very quickly. Giving you the freedom to work with any rigging system, Voice-O-Matic makes creating a preset pose ready to animate in 3ds Max easier than ever before. For more information on Voice-O-Matic, Voice-O-Matic, and how they can work together, visit their respective web pages at www.Di-O-Matic.com.